Hello guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'll show you how to change a pickup roller for this printer model HP Laserjet P1102. User complains that this printer won't pick up a paper, so the problem is the pickup roller. This is the pickup roller we need to replace. So let's get started. First, we need a tool like this to remove the roller from the printer. Removing the pickup roller. Release the small, white tabs on either side of the pickup roller, and rotate the pickup roller toward the front. This is our new pickup roller, part number RL1-2593-000CN. Installing a new pickup roller. Position the new pickup roller in the slot. The circular and rectangular slots on each side will prevent you from installing the roller incorrectly. Just like that.
خلاص انا شفت لي انا خذ اوكي ما في مشكله تفضل كثير.
Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Mabuhay. Peace.